Everybody, this is Val with Tingling Sensation. I stopped at my favorite place. You know how I just adore seafood, and I even got a lobster roll thrown in there, honey. Lobster roll. That's this from Captain D's, by the way. And I told them I need all of this. I need all of this when it comes to this tartar sauce. So please don't make me stop at Dollar General and have to buy some tartar sauce, will you? I want to tell you. If I get any of this in, this is good. Let me get you close to them and get all the glorious sounds and stuff. It's gonna cross my legs now. Honey. Something really good. And the tingle, sensation. It's mm, mm, mm. And you that are still watching, I want to thank you because you could have been watching anybody's videos, but you chose this one. Thank you so much. Mm, 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 mm. I just got off my motorcycle. It was so hot out there. I guess my bones rather fast. And my shirt got laying there. This is one of them tank tops. It was hot. We had for the funeral. This is not that big now. If you're hungry, this ain't gonna do it. It was an extra $3 and some change for this. This don't come with this. This is the seafood feast. I could eat this for 2 or 3 days straight. Papa nail. Honey, when it's good, honey. I think I see some cocktail sauce. I thought I hit the pause button and hit the off button. Let me move this thing up. I spliced that together, y'all. Look like this. A little dark. How about that, y'all? I like the way that look. Let's see what the other one look like that. How about them, y'all? I don't like that the way that look. Got some in the refrigerator. That's all the way in the refrigerator. Yeah. I used to have little kids at one time. When you tell them to get you something, they be running to get it. I ain't there no more. They wonder why you call me to get it. You right there. I say the same thing with my parents. Call me out the room to get you some water. I didn't say that though. Don't get it twisted. I got the water. They done got tired and older and work. They ask you for some water. You give them some water. You have to take a shoe off or boot off. You take a shoe off and a boot on. You scratch their back if they need to scratch. Like more old folks in prayer, man. I tell one of them now to do that. They do what you gotta do. Yeah. It's my son's birthday today. Fabulous' birthday. One that y'all see on camera, that talks on camera with me. He will be, well, he is 37 today. The time flies, honey. I'm still remember when I brought that chocolate baby home with me. He was my first chocolate baby. He was so cool. Had the pretty skin. Goodness. Gorgeous. My daughter, she's 2 years older than him. She's my color. She's real light. She was so light. She was real light when she was born. And she was beautiful. They said, when I saw her, and I saw how beautiful she was, I thought, they said, all mothers think their babies are beautiful. And I saw her next to some of the other ones. I said, she pretty. She beautiful. That ain't just me fooling myself. Yeah. She grown with babies of her own now. And when Alphabet was born, I got another chocolate baby. Listen, another gorgeous baby. It still could be that I just think they're pretty because they were mine. But I really thought, I really believed it. Prettiest one. My computer come out update. Yeah, right. Good stuff right here. Good stuff right here. I ate that crab and you say nothing about it. It's good. Don't need no. This is fabulous. It was good. So if you're out the top, give me some. Those little packs been sitting out. I think the stove heat got to them. It should have been in the refrigerator. Make them have these too. Um, She put these shrimp in here. She should have known to put some cocktail sauce in here, but child, you got to ask her for everything. Here you go. Like stuffed crabs. Excuse me. Yeah. 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 So you should try it. Oh, I'm the only one like them. Yeah. I really don't like them. You can say I ate so much of this when he was growing up. He don't like having baby. You said it's a smell it makes him sick. I don't know. I used to get these pieces, thought I was doing the thing. Nope. I'm just not finding out since he's grown. Yeah. I'm gonna say that shrimp. When I get up and get that cocktail sauce out the refrigerator. And these french fries for some ketchup. Mm-hmm. Somebody that really like their taco sauce. You know, none to get away. Mm-hmm. Good. Oh, I just thought about I ain't touching them hush puppies, but I'm not a big Fred fan either. They have a seafood feast there. Well, chicken tenders. I go to a fish house for chicken. I'm just saying. I can pull now. So what the? I can eat this for days if I had it. And it keeps well, honey. Mm, 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 mm. Had a long day. And we didn't eat before we left. And it's 2:30 now. Sometimes we would eat at the repast at the churches, but I prefer not to. Got too much sauce on. What time I got home? I feel so hot and dizzy. But on my bike, I was drinking this water in here, and I had several of these that I was, when I had a chance, I could refill that. Excuse me. I never got empty. The time I got home, I parked that bike. I got the food out the back of the bike. And then I felt um, dizzy. Then I smelled the food, and then I felt nauseous. Honey, when I got in here, and that air was on, it felt so good when I walked in the door. First, I had to get out my boots, drop down my I carry this on my around my waist, and my leg go through it. This is like a purse, a biker's purse. Just let that slid right off me. It just fell right off me, from my waist down. And then, like I said, I had got out my boots. I ain't my boots. I should have had them down here, but I took them out of here. This is my shirt, inside out, honey, bones round shirt. Got out the shirt so the air can really get to me. The shirt was damp because it's still damp because it's so hot out there, T-shirt, same thing, bones riders on the back. And it's damp. That's how bad I was sweating. And I had my bones rider vest. I had that in the trunk because when I got to Captain D's, well, when we left the cemetery, I, the service was over, so I took my vest off and put it in the trunk. We have on the t-shirt. Well, I took my white shirt off too because we got bones riders going down the side. Put that in the trunk. And then we just had a t-shirt on. Honey, I came in the house and I put the food on the table. And I started stripping. I started sitting in this chair, leaning back like this. I had left the door open. You hear me? And I had to get myself together and drink some water out my cup there until I got myself together and go and I had left my keys in the door and everything. And go shut the door when I came in. Then I got up and just shut the door. Willie got my keys out when he came in. Mm-hmm. You just need to be able to stay in when it's this daggone hot. But most funerals are unexpected. That one was. Mm. This is a beautiful thing right here. Seafood. And see, I don't like to go nowhere. And I get that. Have that long a trip and get that hot. And I have to come home and cook. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No, no, no. No, no, no. I gave Willie some of everything. He's in the room with his plate, taking a breathing treatment also. But you know, he on oxygen. Mm. We go without him that heat. I don't know if he got busy like me. I have to lay my head down on this table right here and breathe in and out real slow, you know, because making sure, you know, I'm calming my body down, you know. Child, if y'all can afford that heat, do so. Because I think being hungry had something to do with it too. Because I had plenty of water. At least I think so. But who knows? I just been cut y'all off. No, I'm gonna do that. I'm going in, sit with Willa, just bear with single sensation. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this was a requested video. Someone said, why don't you eat some Captain D's? They said it yesterday. I'm eating it today. Bye bye now.